Madurai, an energetic ancient city on the Vaigai River, city of temples. This is where they got their wings. In 2012, a team of alumni and a few faculty members at TCE had an idea which made them sleepless. They worked with passion and gave a shape to the idea. On a Monday morning, they pitched their proposal to their management and kept waiting at their lab with their fingers crossed. Days passed, and before the end of the week, their chairman, Mr. Karamuthu T. Kannan, announced the birth of their dream, Thiagarajar Telecom Solutions.
Back in 1989, few of us met Dr. Bhartipat and Dr. Kaul of IIT Delhi, who had indigenized phase shifters for Indian defense. Subsequently, we met with Professor Ingo Wolf, who had founded IMST Germany. Inspired by these interactions, we resolved to convert the novel experiments and projects done at TCE into futuristic products for Indian market.
It is located at TCE, housing a design center, anechoic chamber for antenna measurements, EMI, EMC chamber, RF test beds for wireless product development, and the external test range for the radar measurements. Innovation at TTSL started with the very first project on design and development of the IRNSS receiver antennas, a prestigious navigational program initiated by ISRO as an indigenous alternative to the GPS and GLONASS systems owned by the US and Russia.
We faced a lot of challenges in the design and development of IRNSS receiver antennas. Since the IRNSS constellation was a group of 7 satellites, we had to design an antenna with a wide beamwidth and a constant gain over the frequencies. We had to compete with few of the world's leading companies in navigation systems, and finally with our innovative solution we were able to design an antenna which was smaller, lighter and meeting all the specifications. And innovation did not stop there. We wanted to have a compact antenna which could receive all the navigation satellites across the globe. We wanted to have an antenna which would receive the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and the IRNSS signals. The all-in-one antenna, as we call it, is a broadband spiral antenna with a printed ballon. We wanted to miniaturize the antenna even further, for which we were looking for some materials which could miniaturize this further. So for which we had interacted with Dr. Balaji of Thiagarajar College of Engineering for the development of such material.
In order to meet the requirement, we developed novel macro-dielectric materials with permeability greater than 1 at higher frequencies. We synthesized materials and we have blended them with polymers to realize these kind of substrates.
And now, TTSL is probably the first company in the world to have an antenna capable of receiving the navigational signals from all the satellite constellations around the globe. TTSL has a legacy of unique all-in-view navigational antennas, from the compact ones for the strategic applications to the conformal antennas with anti-jamming capabilities for the aerospace applications. They are already involved in the process of filing 3 patents on the innovation pertaining to the all-in-view navigational antennas. They have already supplied hundreds of such antennas to various customers like Bharat Electronics, DRDO Labs, Symbol Technologies, Accord Systems, Honeywell Technologies, and so on. TTSL has made a turnover of 158 lakhs in the last financial year and set to achieve the projected growth of 300 lakhs in the current financial year. TTSL offers self-sustainability, saving foreign exchange by indigenization of antenna systems and RF components. Business opportunities have empowered natives. For instance, an optical glass maker makes a quartz radome and an electric board cutter is in charge of cutting and bending antenna structures.
என் பேர் கே சுப்பையா. நான் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் சுவிட்ச் போர்ட் கட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். கடந்த 3 வருஷமாக டிடிஎஸ்எல்லேருந்து ஆண்டனா ஷேப்பிங் அண்ட் கட்டிங் வேலை கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. இதுலேருந்து நிறைய வருமானம் கிடைக்குது. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. எனக்கு
TTSL at TCE provides a value addition to TCE in the form of providing job opportunities, internship opportunities and practical approach to all the real-time problems for both faculty and students. And moreover, whatever research that is being done at TCE is being converted into product, which gives immense satisfaction for the researchers when their research is being converted into product.
TCE students and faculty are able to have joint research projects and practical exposure.
I'm S.P. Krishna Kumar, a final year student at Thiagarajar College of Engineering, currently working as a student intern at TTSL since June 2016. Here I've gained a lot of practical knowledge on antennas, and currently I'm working on RFID antenna design. After my course completion, I'd be joining as a full-time employee at TTSL, and I'm very happy about it.
Today, TTSL has grown from a small team of 3 members to a highly skilled professional team of 15 members.